Hi guys, today we're actually going to do the video in my living room. When I moved into this house, I actually started hauling right in this spot, and then I quickly changed it to my office. But let me know, do you guys want me to like switch it up? Do you like this spot better? I don't know, let me know your thoughts. I have a new glass. I found another one of the icon dupes from like Anthropology. This one is a little chili pepper, which is so cute. And I literally just posted on Instagram and you guys sold me out. So I told you guys that I wanted to get rid of my duplicates. I had like 2 of each glass, and in some cases I had like 4. And I just want to collect 1 of each icon. I don't really need duplicates. So I decided I was going to sell them on Etsy, and I went over to Instagram, told you guys, and you sold me out. I have this glass, well, not this one, this one's mine. I have a duplicate of it. So this is the chili pepper. It's so cute. Also, to the lady that got my rainbow glass, I listed it as an Anthropology dupe, but the rainbow glass is actually Anthropology. So you got it for a really great deal, because those are like $30+, especially the ones that like you can't get a hold of anymore. So anyways, moving on, there's still a chili pepper left, plus wait till you see the new one that I'm gonna list. So if you want to get one, you can get one. But today I have a TJ Maxx and a Five Below haul. Let's start off with Five Below. Actually, I went in there and lo and behold, look at what I found. If you didn't watch my last Five Below haul, I'm gonna link it down below. But I found out that Strawberry Shortcake had a produce stand in their little Lego set. So I went and got it. So in the last Five Below haul, I found the bakery, and I wasn't even thinking anything of it. I just saw this laying like on the books at Five Below. I brought it home, and then I did a Google search, and turns out that there's 2 to the set at Five Below, and these are both of them. So I was able to get them both. I am gonna put them together and I'm gonna display them in my craft room. I think that would just be really cute. It's very clear to me now that I think the direction I'm going in my craft room is Strawberry Shortcake. I even have like posters, so I want to get those framed and get those up as like my wall art. So I thought these were really, really cute. Plus on the back, they give you this little scene that you can actually like rip, like pull apart and play with. So I think that would be really cool for junk journaling. So I'm gonna do that. I have heard about the viral beaded purses at Five Below, but I found out about it after I went on this trip. So I need to go to my Five Below and see if they have them. But if I can throw up a video, I will, but they're going pretty viral, and for good reason. Did you guys see my tomato beaded bag? So here is my tomato beaded bag. I still have the tag on it. I was actually thinking about it the other night. I need to like find some time to wear it. But $29.99. At the time when I found this at TJ Maxx, I had no idea that these were going completely viral. And there's more than just tomatoes. Apparently there's turtles and lobsters, and I got the lobster, but I don't have it yet because I did cave and I got it off of Poshmark, but I paid $36 for it. So $29.99 to $36. I was happy with that. So we'll see if I can find the beaded versions of them from Five Below. I heard they're like $5. I don't know. Okay, then I got a massive gummy bear cola. So there's no way I can eat this. Looking at this gives me diabetes, but I'm probably gonna take a bite or 2 or 3 and eat half of it. But I really liked the packaging. I thought it was super cute, gave off a very vintage vibe, and I thought I would use it for junk journaling, which I know sounds crazy, but I am crazy about junk journaling. There's no way around that. I knew I wanted to go back and get more of these playing cards. I think they're so cute. The gummy bear ones are actually becoming a fast favorite of mine. If you've been ordering from my Etsy shop, I've upgraded my packaging, so I hope you guys are loving the packaging. Like, look how cute. This is a playing card. Like, even if you're not into like junk journaling or whatever, these are really cute just to play with. And these were $1, by the way. One single dollar. Even Dollar Tree can't give us playing cards quite this cute. Like, come on. Come on. Like, if Five Below can pull this off for $1, so can Dollar Tree for $1.25. Because I'm definitely in my strawberry shortcake era, which is pretty obvious on the internet. I also got a restock of these. This is my second time buying this. The little containers are so cute. I have my last container in my craft room. I'm just like storing little beads and trinkets in it. But on the inside is candy. And they're actually amazing. And I'm not a fan of like the sour coated or like the sugary coating, you know? I'm not a fan of those actually. So, I mean, sometimes I'll eat Sour Patch Kids, but these are insane. I probably threw up the total earlier, but $37.50 before tax. So the $5 items were the strawberry shortcake stand, the giant gummy cola, and then these Care Bears were each $5. They are so cute. They're just a little like figurine. And in this box we have Cheer Bear, which is the rainbow bear, and then Funshine Bear, which is the bear with the sun on his tummy. And they're like playing little sports, like little summer sports. So I think Cheer Bear is cheering with pom-poms, and then Funshine Bear, I don't know if he's like playing dodgeball or who he's about to nail. I don't know, but he's got his arm ready to go. So anyway, super cute on that one. This is the one that got me, and I don't know why I didn't get another one. So we've got Grumpy Bear, which is playing baseball, and Tenderheart Bear, which is batting. So they're both playing baseball. One's throwing a ball, one's batting. I thought that was so cute. But this one, obsessed with. I love his color palette, and I want to add him to my 4th of July kit. My 4th of July kits are selling so much lately. Thank you so much. I hope you guys are loving your kits. So if you want one, I'll link it here. But I'm also junk journaling, but through the membership program. I'm going to show you guys my latest spread, and I'm going to junk journal again later today. So if you want to hang out with me, I think I'm going to do a Candyland spread tonight for my junk journaling. So if you want to sign up for the membership, it's $5.99 a month, and I'll link it down below. But I'll show you my junk journal here in a second. Then we've got Good Luck Bear and Wish Bear, and are they playing pickleball or are they playing tennis? I don't even know how to tell the difference, to be honest. Also, can somebody tell me what pickleball is? It's like, is it a mini version of tennis or something? I don't know, I don't get it. But I just did a St. Patty's Day spread yesterday in my junk journal for my members, so he would be really cute as a charm to add. So I got those. I'll probably go back and get more. Okay, then I picked up some vintage, or to me they're vintage candies, but you know, whatever. I got Pop Rocks. So I actually saw them at Michael's. I was at Michael's. You guys are gonna see a haul of it soon. I took you guys on a shopping spree. We went to Home Goods, Pop Shelf, Hobby Lobby, Michael's. That video is coming. And at Michael's I saw Pop Rocks, but they were like $2 and something cents for one. Whereas these were $1.25 at Five Below. So I got this one, which is crackling gum. Obviously, I like the pink packaging. This one's blue raz. And I use food packaging for junk journaling. Then we have watermelon. I'm actually looking for the apple one. I should have got it at Michael's, but again, it was like $2 and something, $2.50. This one, I love the color palette on this one. I definitely want to use it for my Candyland spread. So, and then we have this one. This color palette is really cool too. Love it. And then the last one is strawberry, which is so cute. So, and yes, I'm gonna eat these before I use it. All right, so that is what I got from Five Below. And I was just happy that I found the produce stand because that's so cute. Get out the price. I spent $86.91. Zero regrets on this one. Okay. So I actually have some clothing. I forgot. One thing that I've been really needing are knives. I don't even know if I can say hashtag knife night, but there's no knives involved. It was an Instagram thing. If you know, you know. It's a whole ordeal back in 2019, okay? Anyways, I needed some knives for home. I'm chopping up Loki's carrots and Brussels sprouts and broccoli. He gets a lot of vegetables and chicken as toppers along with his food, his kibble. And then I add like broth to it. Anyways, I'm finding myself needing some clean knives. I've actually been needing knives for like over a year. I've just been finding myself reaching for some, and the one that I have is dirty all the time because I use it every day. So anyways, I'm really glad that I finally found a nice little set. These are Brookstone, $6.99. I should have got another set, honestly. Just one more set. I don't need to have too many, but I feel like 5 knives is a good number. Lost my mind. It's the Icon glasses. Look how cute they are with the blue. These are gonna look so great with my 4th of July, which let me show you my Icon glasses for 4th of July, but those I actually got from Amazon. All right, so here are my Star Icon glasses. I will link these down below. I had to get 2 of them, unfortunately. I couldn't just order 1, but I think I wanna keep both of my stars. So I'm okay with having 2. And then I found these, which are so cute. And then even the chili pepper is gonna be such a great little like summer collection. So I still have this one available. Did I say that? I think so. I still have one available in this chili pepper. It's listed right now on Etsy if somebody hasn't already bought it. And then I'm gonna list 2 of these. So if you want the little blue fish, by the time you watch this video, I don't know, it might be sold out because people are probably checking my Etsy shop now, but obsessed. But I will link these down below because like I said, they're from Amazon. So super cute. I love those. So I got a couple of the fish as well. And then I ended up getting some clothing. So I saw this little patchwork USA flag. Obviously this is like, I think in the youth girls kind of section, but I got a large $14.99. I've been seeing these like patch flag sweatshirts all over Pinterest and I've been wanting one. This one I'm just probably gonna wear with like super high-waisted like shorts. And I think that will be really, really cute, and some flip-flops. So, and I love the light blue color on it. I thought it was really, really pretty. And if you look closely, it kind of has like a little stain look to make it look vintage. So it's not dirty, it's just the eyelet ribbon just has that look to it. I thought that was cute. And then I got these blue Nike running shorts. Nike running shorts for $16.99. Yes, anything Nike. When I go into the actual Nike shop here in Dallas, so expensive. So finding this for 16 bucks, I flipped out. And then I also got these. I thought they were so cute. I love the stripes down the side. And I love that it's like so dark. It's like, is it black? Is it navy? But it is navy. So, and I thought these would look really good with my like navy New Balance shoes that I have. So I got those, and these were $12.99. Honestly, if I would have had time, I probably would have gone more into the clothing, but I know you guys asked me to do a thrift haul, so I need to go thrifting. Because that's where I want to buy a lot of my clothing. I want to buy like t-shirts and see if I can't find some shorts like those. Because that's really all I'm going to live in this summer. And then the last thing, which I was on my way to check out, and I saw this adorable bag. The Sesame Street. Suddenly, Sesame Street has a chokehold on me, which I never even cared about it. As a matter of fact, it was like my least favorite cartoon. Like I never even watched it. But lately the colors are just speaking to me so much from a junk journaling perspective. And this is a little pop-up So I can definitely pull it away from the bag or I can cut it out, but it is a really large image. So I have to figure out how I'm gonna junk journal with this, but I have to figure it out. And it was $2.99. Like, what a gorgeous bag. I could not believe it. And by the way, Home Goods as well. So this is TJ Maxx, but Home Goods has a lot of Sesame Street stuff lately in the party section, birthday section. So anyways, I'm gonna add this to my Sesame Street growing collection. All right, so here it is. I don't know if you guys have kind of seen all of my spreads, but I've been making these with my members. And this is one of my newest ones. On this side, I used a Dollar Tree candy box. This candy is amazing. I have to go find it at Dollar Tree. And then this is what I made yesterday. So this is my little St. Patty's Day kit. I don't care that it's not St. Patty's Day. I will journal anything and everything that makes me happy. So this spread is so freaking cute. Like, and a lot of this you can probably see is Dollar Tree stuff too. Like, if you know, you know. But look how freaking cute. And then tonight I'm gonna do Candyland on this page. So if you want to be part of the membership program, I will link it down below. But yeah, so you can kind of see like what I'm talking about with the Care Bears. I think the little, like, let me show you. The little, like, how cute would he be as a charm? This one. Right? Like, oh, so cute. And I want to like stick my charm out of this thing. So I'm going to make something. But, oh, I was going to show you. I put like a little mini chiclet over here. That's kind of like what I want to do with the Pop Rocks. So I got this from, where, did I get that from Five Below? Yes, I also got the chiclets from Five Below, but I opened it up. So anyways, that's it. That's my haul today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Check for the glassware and see if there's any still available in my Etsy shop. My Etsy shop is always linked in the description box. So hope you guys had fun hanging out with me today, and I will see you hopefully tomorrow for a Dollar Tree haul.